Welcome to the earnings update of Muthoot Finance Limited and its subsidiaries for the third quarter of the financial year 22-23. We delivered another quarter of excellent performance by taking the consolidated gross loan assets of the group to a new level of 65,085 crores at the end of the third quarter of this year, compared to 60,896 in the third quarter of the last financial year, registering a year-on-year growth of 7%. Our branch network is 5,810 at the end of this quarter. During this quarter, we have been able to add 54 new branches. The gross loan assets of Muthoot Finance, the flagship company, stood at 57,731 crores at the end of the quarter 3, compared to 54,688 crores at the end of the same quarter in the previous financial year. Here also registering a year-on-year increase of 6%. Coming to our average gold loan per branch, it stood at 12.16 crores as of this quarter, compared to 11.74 crores in the previous corresponding last year. We are glad to announce that our total net worth has grown up to 20,139 crores at the end of this quarter, compared to 17,400 same quarter in the previous financial year. There are very few companies which have a net worth of more than 20,000 crores, and Muthoot Finance has reached that level. Adding to that, in the last year, Muthoot Finance has been classified as an upper layer NBFC by the Reserve Bank of India. There are only 16 companies, NBFCs in India, who are in the upper layer, and your company is one among the 16. Definitely, we are all elated and happy that we have been recognized by the regulator as an upper layer NBFC. I thank all of you for bringing us to this level. As a testimony to the trust placed by millions of customers, stakeholders and well-wishers, I am proud to say that we enjoy stable source of funding through a combination of secured, non-convertible debentures, banks and financial institution borrowings, external commercial borrowings and other loans, all of which command the highest rating among gold loan companies. We maintain a very strong capital adequacy ratio of 33.29% on our risk-weighted assets, as against the RBI stipulation of 15%. A few subsidiaries who have performed well, especially need special mention here. One of them is Belstar Microfinance. They have reported an AUM of 5,341 crores at the end of December 22, an increase of 39% year-on-year and 4% from the previous quarter. Belstar now has a strong presence in 18 states and one union territory with 821 branches. The personal loan business of Muthoot Group saw a transformation during the current year with the disbursement of 121 crores in Q3 alone. The loan portfolio now stands at 457 crores at the end of this quarter. Our robust growth and success as the number one most trusted financial company by the Brand Trust report is solely based on the 26,399 strong employees who strive day in and day out to provide top-class service to our dear customers and stakeholders. Q3 has also been remarkable for us in terms of doing some impactful CSR activities. As a part of our Asiana project, Muthoot Finance has constructed and handed over the possession of 2 more housing community projects in this quarter. For the exemplary CSR initiatives, we have received many national and state awards, CSR Times Award, FICCI Kerala, to name a few. We live in an ever-evolving world. Financial services, especially gold loan business, is undergoing transformative changes every day and every minute, and hence we have introduced an array of digital services that will redefine and enhance customer experiences. Expedia priority services, gold loan at home facility, WhatsApp banking, iMuthoot mobile, etc. are some of these. For Muthoot Finance and its subsidiaries, this has been an excellent quarter with the core gold loan business making impressive strides. We have also witnessed personal loan business and Belstar making significant growth exceeding our expectations. We dedicate the success and growth in this quarter to all the customers who trust us every day and who continue to do business with us daily. In these changing times, we are committed to provide exceptional service to our customers with the help of technology and innovation and will strive to improve it every day.
Sharing the financial results of Muthoot Finance Limited and its subsidiaries as at the end of Q3 financial year 2023. The diversified businesses of the Muthoot Finance Group consists of Muthoot Finance Limited, the flagship company, Muthoot HomeFin, Belstar Microfinance Limited, Muthoot Money Limited, Asia Asset Finance, Muthoot Insurance Brokers Private Limited, Muthoot Asset Management Private Limited, and Muthoot Trustee Private Limited. The group branch network of Muthoot Finance and its subsidiaries has gone up to 5,810 branches at the end of the third quarter of the financial year 2023, compared with 5,490 branches at the end of the same period in the previous financial year. The consolidated gross loan assets of the group stands at Rs 65,085 crores at the end of the third quarter of the financial year 2023, compared with Rs 60,896 crores at the end of the same period in the financial year 2022, a year-on-year increase of 7%. The consolidated profit of the group stands at Rs 2,661 crores at the end of the third quarter of the financial year 2023, compared to Rs 3,025 crores at the end of the same period in financial year 2022. The gross loan assets of Muthoot Finance, the flagship company, stands at Rs 57,731 crores at the end of the Q3 of the financial year 2023, compared with Rs 54,688 crores at the end of the same quarter in the previous financial year, a year-on-year increase of 6%. Muthoot Finance Limited, the flagship company, reports a standalone profit of Rs 2,571 crores for the third quarter of the financial year 2023, compared with Rs 2,994 crores for the same period in the previous financial year. Muthoot Finance has presence in 23 states and 6 union territories. It has a 100,000 plus retail investor base across its debenture and subordinated debt portfolios. The company has a strong promoter interest with a 73% shareholding. The company has a strong geographical presence in the nation with 4,672 branches and caters to the underserved and semi-urban markets in India. Board of Directors, Promoter Group of Muthoot Finance Group. Board of Directors, Independent Directors of Muthoot Finance Group. Muthoot Finance declared a 200% dividend in the financial year 2022 to the tune of Rs 803 crores. Digital innovations for our valued customers include direct credit facility, loan repayment options through Paytm, Google Pay and PhonePe, POS terminals, WhatsApp banking, and AI-based chatbots, among others. Our digital initiatives have borne fruit, with 36.3% of our gold loan customers now transacting online. Loan at Home is an app-based digital service with which a customer can apply for a gold loan from the comfort of their home without having to visit the branch. Your company's net worth stands at Rs 20,139 crores at the end of the Q3 financial year 2023, compared with Rs 17,412 crores at the end of the same period in financial year 2022. The gold loan assets under the management of Muthoot Finance stands at Rs 56,824 crores at the end of Q3 financial year 2023, compared with Rs 54,215 crores at the end of the same quarter in the previous financial year, a year-on-year growth of 5%. We enjoy stable sources of funding, primarily in the form of listed secured non-convertible debentures, bank borrowings, and external commercial borrowings. We are proud to say that we enjoy the highest rating for its funding instruments amongst gold loan companies from domestic and international credit rating agencies. At the end of Q3 financial year 2023, gold jewelry kept as security by our valued customers stood at 175 tons of gold. Our average gold loan per branch stands at Rs 12.16 crores at the end of third quarter of financial year 2023 against Rs 11.74 crores at the end of financial year 2022, a year-on-year increase of 4%. Your company has a highly liquid portfolio with an average monthly disbursements of Rs 10,300 crores and an average monthly collection of Rs 10,100 crores in Q3 financial year 2023. For Q3 financial year 2023, from the lender's perspective, the margin of safety on loans stands at 35%, and from the borrower's perspective, the equity of the borrower in gold ornaments of net loans availed stands at 46%. The net interest margin on loans stands at 11.86% for Q3 financial year 2023. The return on average loan assets stands at 6.27% for Q3 financial year 2023. Your company has a robust capital adequacy ratio of 33.29% of its risk-rated assets as at the end of Q3 financial year 2023. And the company's trained and skilled workforce is 26,399 strong as at the end of Q3 financial year 2023. Asia Asset Finance is a Sri Lankan subsidiary of Muthoot Finance. Asia Asset Finance has 70 branches at the end of the third quarter of financial year 2023, compared with 55 branches at the end of the same period in financial year 2022. The gross loan AUM of Asia Asset Finance stands at Sri Lankan rupees 2,078 crores at the end of third quarter of financial year 2023, compared with Sri Lankan rupees 1,577 crores at the end of the same period in financial year 2022, a year-on-year increase of 32%. Asia Asset Finance reports a profit after tax of Sri Lankan rupees 23 crores for the third quarter of financial year 2023, compared with Sri Lankan rupees 7 crores at the end of the same period in financial year 2022, a year-on-year increase of 229%. Muthoot HomeFin is the housing finance subsidiary of Muthoot Finance Limited. Muthoot HomeFin has 108 branches pan-India. The gross loan AUM of Muthoot HomeFin stands at Rs 1,410 crores at the end of the third quarter of financial year 2023, compared to Rs 1,579 crores at the end of the same period in the previous financial year. Muthoot HomeFin reports a profit after tax of Rs 8 crores by the end of third quarter of financial year 2023, compared with Rs 3 crores for the same period in financial year 2022. Muthoot Insurance Brokers Private Limited is an insurance broking subsidiary of Muthoot Finance Limited that deals with general and life insurance products. Muthoot Insurance Brokers Private Limited has a premium collection of Rs 447 crores by issuing 33,58,501 policies by the end of third quarter financial year 2023, compared to Rs 293 crores of premium collection and 24,80,602 policies being issued in the same period of the previous financial year. This is a year-on-year increase of 53% in premium collections and a 35% increase in policies being issued. Muthoot Insurance Brokers Private Limited reports a profit after tax of Rs 31 crores by the end of third quarter of financial year 2023, compared to Rs 17 crores in the same period of financial year 2022, a year-on-year increase of 82% in profits. Belstar Microfinance Limited is a microfinance subsidiary of Muthoot Finance Limited. Belstar has 821 branches at the end of the third quarter of financial year 2023, compared with 675 branches as at the end of the third quarter of financial year 2022. The gross loan assets of Belstar stands at Rs 5,341 crores at the end of the third quarter of financial year 2023, compared with Rs 3,836 crores at the end of the same period in financial year 2022, a year-on-year growth of 39%. Belstar reports a profit after tax of Rs 49 crores at the end of third quarter of financial year 2023 compared with 16 crores at the end of the same period in financial year 2022, a year-on-year increase of 206%. Muthoot Money Limited is a wholly owned subsidiary of Muthoot Finance Limited. Muthoot Money expanded its branch network from 35 at the end of the third quarter of financial year 2022 to 139 at the end of the third quarter of financial year 2023. The gross loan AUM of Muthoot Money Limited stands at Rs 293 crores at the end of the third quarter of financial year 2023.
I take this opportunity to express my gratitude to our customers, other stakeholders, well-wishers, investors, lenders, regulators, and employees whose trust, love, and hard work and prayer have helped us in our growth in Q3. Success do not make us to sit on our laurels, but propels us to innovate, inspire, and improve customer experience and to bring more smiles to the face of our customers in the quarters to come. Jai Hind.